Today we're having a little quick look at our laundry building. That's on the back end of the site. It's a simple little small laundry, and this building is typically available from April to October each year, and the doors are open from 8 AM until 8 PM every night. We have wash machine, tumble dryer, ironing board. The machines are coin operated, pound coins, and you'll find a table on the wall next to each for how much you need to do for how long. We do provide washing capsules for the machines. The manual is also there as a decorative thing, but is also functional if you do wish to use it. People like it, so we keep it. Iron board there in the corner. The meters up there on the wall. We have 3 drying greens available if you'd rather be green and use the atmosphere to dry your washing. I'll show you those in a moment. First drying green is behind the laundry building itself. The second one is outside the short stay toilet block. And the third one is in the tent field for the tents in the camping area at the top end. These are all detailed on our welcome sign as you enter the site. Shows you the location of each as well. That pretty much concludes all I can do with the laundry. It's a fairly simple affair. There we go. Thank you for watching.